Hi guys, today we are going to learn about the measure shape, like how to make measured shapes in our Illustrator, right? Measure shapes is always used in packaging. For example, you guys can see over here, right? For example, what is the measure of this box? What is the measure of this box to make packaging like things? So how do we make that? How to measure that boxes? How to do this and etc. We're going to study about, and I'm going to prove that. So how do you do? For example, I'm just taking one shape over here. Uh, I'll just take one rectangle, draw one rectangle. Okay. Then how to see what is the measure of this rectangle? How to check it out? Okay. For that, what you need, I'll just maximize my screen and you can guys go to upside, right? Upside you have a shape of your size and everything. You guys can see over here, right? See, this is your height and this is your width over here. You guys can see. I have my height and width value. W stand for width and H stand for height. That means 278.859 points. It's a my measure. It's in 8 points, so it's showing in you 8 points. Okay. So how does it look? See, for example, I want to make 5 by 5 or 100 by 100 boxes in minute. Okay, so I'll just put the value of 100 by 100. You guys can see my shape has been changed and it's like very much equal proportion in that, right? If I want to increase size, I can increase over here also. Okay. Now how to check that is 100 point by 100 point? How to check? How to prove that, right? So just press Control R on your keyboard. Yes, it's Control R on your keyboard. So the ruler will on. You guys can see the ruler has been on. Now you can just check your measure. Just I'm pressing over here, and you guys can see I have done the measures over here. Yes, I'm going with the value, and the value of that is 100, right? So that's how you can show over here that you have over here. Okay, there is one process that you can go and shape the size, etc. But if you want to make your box already in that, how will that? Just select your box and say double click on your keyboard. Okay, once you double click on your keyboard, he's asking you points. Okay, so just give him the value of, once again I'm giving you 200 by 200 points and just giving the enter. Now you guys can see, yeah, I have made a point value. Okay. Now, for example, point is not the only unit that you're going to work, right? It can be your inches, it can be a centimeter, it can be anything, right? How do you change or switch between that? So you just need to go to right click on this ruler, right click on that, and you can change your units over here, right? For example, I want in inches. Okay, so now you guys can see my measurement is showing in inches. I'm not placing my box over it. It's like 2 point something, let close to 3. Okay, for example, I want something 5 by 5 inch box. Okay, I just delete this. Once again, double click on my keyboard, 5 by 5, and press enter. Now you guys can see I have made a box inch by 5 by 5. So that's how you can measure a box and create your measured box according to you, and you can go with that. Thank you. Bye bye.